Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch. We'll start from the top plane, so we'll select here the exit plane, rotate the view. Here take the rectangle command and take 2-point rectangle. Make one rectangle profile here. Go to dimension. Here we will define this as 90, okay, and this height here will be of 70, okay. Now go to horizontal constraint, select the center, select here. Now here we will select the coincident constraint, select the center point and select the center. Now this is fully constrained. Now here take arc command, take 3-point arc, select this point and here select this point and here drag it outside. So you'll see here the tangent constraints automatically. So we'll leave the arc there. Now escape, select this line and make it construction line. Okay. Now take the circle command, select the center point, make a dia here of 40 mm. Finish sketch. Now here take extrude command, select this profile. Here we will extrude up to 60 mm, okay, and press OK. Okay, now select this face, go to create sketch. Here take the circle command, make a circle here of diameter 40, enter. Now go to dimension, select the center point, select the center here, and here we will define the distance as 60 mm, okay. Now go to horizontal constraint, select the center point, select the center. So this is fully constrained now. Finish sketch, take extrude, here take cut, and here we are going to take all. So this will be a through cut. Now press OK. Go to home. Now go to part 1. Here you can see this is also an all-round profile. Okay, we have constructed this profile till here and we have made this cut. Now we are going to construct this fillet. Go to part 2. Here go to fillet. Here we are going to select the full round fillet. Okay, so it will ask you 3 face selections: face 1, center face and the second face. The first face will be this top, rotate. The second center face will be this, rotate, and third face will be this. Okay, now press OK. Go to home. So this will be defined. Now go to part 1. Now we are going to construct this front profile. Okay, go to part 2. Go to origin. Here we are going to select the base plane, the exit plane. Go to create sketch. Here take the circle command, make one circle here of diameter 50, enter, and from same center make dia 80. Okay, go to dimension. Here from this center we will define this at 120 mm. Okay, now here take the horizontal constraint, select the center and select the center. So this will be constrained. Now go to line command, make one line here. Okay, similarly one line from here. Now go to tangent constraint, select this line, select this circle. So this will be tangent on this circle. Similarly select this line, select this circle. Okay, it is already tangent. Now escape. Now here we'll select this point. Okay, go to dimension. Here if you are not finding the point, we'll slightly rotate the profile and select this point. Select this yellow point here and give here a dimension of 20 mm. Okay, similarly select here, select this point, give this as 20 mm. Now escape, click on top view. Now here take arc command, take 3-point arc, select this point, select this point and make one arc. Now go to concentric constraint, select this circle, select this, now escape. Now this is fully constrained sketch. Now select this yellow profile, make it construction. Now go to line command, make one center line here. Similarly, make one center line here. Now escape. Okay, select this, make it construction, and it is the dimension line. So we'll drag this up and select this line, make it construction. Now go to trim this outer profile. Go to line command and make a joining profile here. Similarly, one joining profile here. Now finish sketch. Now we have two profiles, this circular profile and this joining profile. Go to extrude, select this joining profile, give dimension 10 mm and press OK. Now go to extrude 3, sketch 3, turn on the visibility, take extrude, select this profile, here take extrude of 20 mm and press OK. OK. Select sketch 3, turn off the visibility. Now here we are going to make the rib profile. Okay. So select the XY plane, go to create sketch. Here take the line command, make one line till this end point. Okay. Go to dimension, define the height here as 37 mm or okay. Now here take coincident, select this point, rotate to home, rotate, we will select this edge, okay, and select this end, or just go to the front view, escape. Now we will drag this, so we will find the point here automatically, the green point. Now here select this line, make it construction, go to home, rotate, select this yellow line, make it construction. Now finish sketch, go to home, only this line will be left. Now go to rib profile, so this will only select this. If the yellow lines will be present, so it will select the yellow lines as well. Now here we will click parallel to sketch plane and here we will flip the direction and the thickness will be of 20 mm. Press OK. Now go to home. Now here we will define the appearance. We will take the magenta color. You can take any color. Okay. So this will be the final output. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.